press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, just I am continuing my class today of perimeter and area. What is to a perimeter and area? In yesterday's class also we already discussed about what is perimeter and area and the circumference of a circle and area of a circle. How to find the area of a circle. Here in this exercise already I told you people what we are going to do. Just we are finding here areas of each given plane figures, correct? Here 8th question is, Pragna wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? Did she have any cord left? Here Pragna, one girl is there. Pragna wrapped a cord. Here, there one circular pipe is there and one square is there. Just she used one cord. Andre ondu doddu wire taradu. Wire cord means one wire she used to wrap around a. She used to wrap around the circular pipe. Pragna used to wrap a circular cord around this circular pipe. Pragna is wrapped the cord around this and she cut off, and she used to cut that extra cord and she wrapped whole this circular pipe with that cord. Okay, and then the cut off cord, what it is there, just she used to take that and she started wrapping a square of side, square length of side 4 cm. This is 4 cm. She used the same cord which is cutted here, that she used to wrap here and cut. What they are asking? Pragna wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius they are giving, that is 4 cm. Pragna wrapped a cord, just she used to wrap a cord for that circular pipe of radius 4 cm, and then same cord which is cutted, which is used to wrap the circular pipe, is used to wrap the square of length of a side 4 cm. Whether what they are asking, whether the cord is left with her, or it is minimum or maximum. That means whether it is more than the perimeter of the square or less than the perimeter of the square. Just what they are asking. Illi tagondiranta cord she used to wrap this square. Illi enadre cord avulu use ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾಳೋ ಅದೇ ತಗೊಂಡು just she is wrapping this square. What they are asking, whether that cord is sufficient to wrap this square or not. How we will get that one? If you here we know the radius, just this wrapping of the cord is for, here this is for circumference and here this is for perimeter, correct? Illi circumference of a circle ge ನಾವು wrap ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ perimeter of the square ge just we are wrapping, correct? What they are asking, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಅಂತ cord, the cord which we are taken here, it is sufficient to wrap this square or not, sufficient to wrap this square or not. Okay, here the circumference ge ಅಲ್ಲಿ cord na ನಾವು wrap ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ perimeter ge cord na ನಾವು wrap ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Okay, if you we can find the circumference of the circle, we can find the square of perimeter of the square, we can find the circumference of the circle also, we can find the perimeter of the square also, correct? Okay, if perimeter is, this is perimeter, if circumference is less than perimeter, then shortage of chord will happen circumference is greater than perimeter means there is circumference is greater than perimeter andre the card is left. If circumference is equals to perimeter, that means the wrapped circumference is equals to wrapped square perimeter, then no ಏನು ಉಳಿಯಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ. Correct? The curve remains stable. Okay, what we have to find now? Circumference of this, circumference perimeter of this, and just we have to compare. If C is less than perimeter andre ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ವ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ಗೆ. ಇಫ್ C is greater than P ಅಂದ್ರೆ if C is greater than P ಅಂದ್ರೆ if C is greater than P means card is left, that means ಇನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ just. Okay, children, what is the given the radius of a circular pipe, the radius of a circular pipe R equals to 4 centimeter. If you know the radius of the circular pipe, then you can find the circumference of the circular pipe. Therefore, circumference of the circular pipe equals C equals to, what is the formula to find the circumference of the circle? If we know the radius, 2 pi r, we all know the value of pi, that is 3.14, that is 2 into 3.14 into 4, correct? 3.14 into 8, what it is? 25.12 centimeters. 3.14 into 8, 3 4s are 32, 11, 3 3s are 3, 8s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. 25.12 is the circumference of the circular pipe. Therefore, how much quantity of cord is cutted? 25.12 centimeters of cord is cutted. And then, since the length of the each side of square equals to 4 centimeter perimeter of square. What is the formula to find the perimeter of the square? 4 into side, 4 4s are 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. Okay, here since what they are giving in the question, since the cutoff curd of circular pipe is wrapped to square of length side 4 centimeter. Here C is greater than P, that means circumference is greater than P, that is 25.12 centimeters is greater than 16 centimeters. Correct? Circumference is greater than P. Okay. What? If circumference is greater than p ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, the card is left with pregna. Therefore card is left with pregna, and we have to find how much of card is left with pregna. Therefore so card left with pregna is equals to, the card left with pregna equals to circumference of the circular pipe minus, okay, perimeter, circumference of circular pipe minus perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square. What is circumference of a circular pipe? 25.12 centimeters minus 60 centimeter. What it is? 9.12 centimeter. 9.12 centimeters. Therefore, how much quantity of card is left with pregna? Therefore, 9.12 centimeters of curd is left with pregna. Okay, just move on to the next question, children. Just here nothing we are doing, just we are finding the circumference and perimeter of each shape, and this comparing, and we are taking the difference in between the two shapes. Next question. The adjoining figure represents a circular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Circular in the middle. Some questions they have given. First question and second question I am writing. The area of the measurements all in that circular they have given. One rectangular lawn is there with 10 centimeters of length and 5 centimeters of breadth, and one circular bed is there in center of the lawn with radius of 2 centimeter, with radius of 2 centimeters. Just we have to see that one, and only we can get the measurements. Area of whole land. Whole land andre rectangular lawn. Second one, the area of flower bed. Okay, the area of whole land means the area of whole rectangular lawn we have to find. The rectangular lawn means there we know length and breadth of the rectangular lawn. We can find the area, correct? Length of since length of rectangular lawn L equals to 10 centimeters, breadth of rectangular lawn B equals to 5 centimeters. Therefore, what they are asking? The area of rectangular lawn A equals to length into breadth. What is length? 10 centimeters into 5 centimeters. 10 5s are 50 square centimeter. 50 square centimeter. And then the area of a 50 square centimeter is the area of a rectangular lawn. Here the area of the flower bed, this portion with radius 2. The radius of circular flower bed is circular flower bed R equals to 2 centimeters. R equals to 2 centimeters. Therefore, what they are asking us to find? The area of the flower bed. The area of the flower bed A equals to, what is the formula to find area? Pi r square. Pi andre 3.14 into 2 square. 3.14 into 2 square andre 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 4 ja 60. 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. 12.56 square centimeters. 12.56 square centimeter. And the third question is idurdu 50 square centimeters. Idurdu 12.56 centimeter square. Okay, children. The third question is the area of lawn excluding the area of flower bed andre the area of the lawn excluding flower bed andre e part onde they are asking. E part, shaded part only they are asking. How we will get that one? By taking the difference between area of the lawn with area of the flower bed, then we can get the answer. Correct, children? The area of this only just write is equals to area of rectangular lawn minus area of rectangular lawn minus area of flower bed. Namge first and second question already we have find it, that all we have to write here. 50 area of a rectangular lawn enagutte 50 square centimeter. 50 square centimeter minus area of flower bed is 12.56 square centimeters. 12.56 square centimeter. If you take the difference between in these 200, then we will get 0 minus 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 minus 6, that means 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4, here 9 minus 2 7, 5 minus 1 sorry 4 minus 1 3 square centimeters. This area is 37.44 square centimeter. The shaded area is 37.44 square centimeter. And then the fourth question is the circumference of the circular flower bed. The circumference of a flower bed. What they are asking? The circumference of a flower bed. They are asking the circumference of the flower bed. They are asking. How we will get? We know the radius. Radius of the circular flower bed is 2 centimeter. What they are asking? Then we have to find the area of the perimeter not circumference of the circular flower bed. What is the formula to find the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. That only we have to write here, and then we have to find by adjoining figure ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಎಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬೆಡ್ is equals to r equals to 2 centimeters. What they are asking? Circumference of circular flower bed c equals to 2 pi r. C equals to 2 pi r. C equals to 2 pi r. 3.14 into 2. 3.14 into 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 16. 4 1s are 4. 5. 4 3s are 12. What is the circumference of the circular flower bed? 12.56 centimeters. 12.56 centimeters. Just by seeing this length enu 12.56 centimeters. Just I am not using here double squares. I am not using. This is the length ala. That's why I am taking the single unit here. And then just move on to the next question. In adjoining find the area of shaded portions. One figure they have given, we have to find the shaded region portion. This shaded region area we have to find. All measurements they have given. This is a rectangle of named AB, CD with length 18 centimeters and breadth 10 centimeter. In question itself only they have given E. Iduna E tagondidare. This one is F and this EB is 8 centimeters and this is 10 centimeter. If you observe these portions, this one is the two triangles. This is 6 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. If you observe these children, here one rectangle is there. We can find the area of this rectangle, correct? What we have to find? The shaded region, shaded portion area we have to find. We can find the area of these. We can find the area of this total rectangle, correct children? We can find the area of this total rectangle and we can find the area of the triangle here because this is the height and this one will be the base of the, if you flip that one like this, the triangle will be C, D, E. This is 10 centimeters and base is 8 centimeter. If you know the height and base of a triangle, then you can find the area of this triangle and this triangle also. If you flip that one, you will get F, A, flip andre turn. Height enagirutte 6 centimeters and base is 10 centimeter. If you know the base and height of each triangle, then we can find the area of these portion and these portion, correct? We can find the total area of the rectangle. Just we have to take the difference between, just we have to add these two and we have to take the difference between area of rectangle and two triangles. Area of just directly I am writing all ABCD rectangle. Area of ABCD rectangle equals to length into breadth. What is length? 18 centimeters into 10 centimeters. That is 180 centimeter square. And then area of triangle BEC. Triangle EBC where B equals to base equals to 8 centimeters and height equals to 10 centimeter. Area of triangle BEC equals to half into base into H. Half into base 8 centimeters into 10. 1s are 4s are, that is equals to 4 10s are 40 centimeter square, correct? And then in triangle AFE, base equals to 10 centimeters, height equals to 6 centimeters. Therefore, area of triangle AFE equals to half into base into height, half into 10 into 6, 1s are 3s are 30 centimeter square. Therefore, what we have to do? We have to find the area of these shaded portion. We have to find the area of these shaded portion. Therefore, area of shaded portion. How we will get the area of the shaded portion? Just From the area of the total rectangle, we have to take the difference of these two, area of rectangle ABCD minus area of triangle BEC minus area of triangle AFE. Area of triangle AFE. Just I am writing here, children. What is the area of triangle ABCD? 180 centimeter square minus BC 40 centimeter square. AFE 30 centimeter square. 180 minus 40, 140, 140 minus 30, 110 centimeter square. 110 centimeter square. This one 110 centimeter square is the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part. B question is like that only, children. Just you have to do it as homework. If you observe this one square they have given. One square they have given. One square they have given. Sorry, children. Here see here, children, here one square they are giving, here one square they are giving. In this shaded part is there, in these shaded part is there like this. We have to find the area of the shaded part. We have to find the area of the shaded part. If you observe these, children, we can find the area of the total square, correct? And then we can find the area of this triangle because we know the base and height. Here also we know the base. Remaining ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ obviously 10 plus 10 20. 10 base ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. This one also we got. Height also we know. Here also height we know and base we know. Correct. Here we can find the area of these A1, A2, A3. Correct. This is A. The shaded region ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A equals shaded region area of square minus A1 minus A2 minus A3. I think you can do it, children. Just you have to do it as homework. Okay. First you have to find the area of the square and then area of the individual parts of the triangle. Here length and base and height A3, A1 base and height same ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Half into 10 into 10. ಇದೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Half into 10 into 20. ಇದೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Half into 10 into 20. Just ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you can get the answer. Just try it as homework. And then next question, children. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC equals to 22 centimeters, BM equals to 3 centimeters, DN equals to 3 centimeters, and BM is perpendicular to AC, DN is perpendicular to AC. Here one quadrilateral they have given. Here one quadrilateral they have given. This is of length 22 centimeters. This all measurements they have in the question itself only they have given. Here one quadrilateral they have given, one diagonal, middle diagonal is there, that is AC of length 22 centimeter and two lines. This is just this line, this diagonal is dividing this quadrilateral into two triangles, correct? Just this is dividing into two triangles, and two triangles tara just it is dividing, and that two triangles, this is altitude, height, this is nothing but height, correct? Because since it is given that AC is perpendicular to BN, this is height, because AC is perpendicular to DA, AC is perpendicular to DN, correct? So this is height. For both triangles the base is 22 centimeter AC. Now the quadrilateral total area we want to find. If you find the area of the ABC triangle and ADC triangle, then you can add averudu find maadi. Just if you add andre you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Just move on to the solution. Okay, since in quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal, middle diagonal aitala, adu 22 centimeters, BN, the perpendicular altitude, BN 3 centimeters, and DN, the perpendicular altitude in ACD is 3 centimeters, correct children? And this also you have to write, BM is perpendicular to AC, BM is perpendicular to AC, and DN is perpendicular to AC, correct? AC anadu perpendicular to BN and it is perpendicular to DN. To find the area of the quadrilateral, what we have to do? Just we have to find the areas of these two triangles. That only I am writing here. To find area of quadrilateral ABCD, we have to find areas of ABC and ABD. Areas of triangle ABC and triangle ADB and add them. ಅವನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Just now in triangle ABC base ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Base equals to AC equals to base equals to AC equals to 22 centimeters. Height equals to BM equals to 3 centimeters. Correct, children? What is the formula to find the area of a triangle? Area A equals to half into base into height. Half into AC into BM. Correct? Half into, what is the value of AC? 22 into 3. 1s are 11s are 33 centimeter square. 33 centimeter square. And in triangle ABC base equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂನು place, if you slip it, base is B equals to, sorry, AC equals to 22 centimeters. Height BN equals to 3 centimeters. Same area will come. Area of triangle ABC equals to half into AC into BN. Half into AC ಏನು 22 centimeters into 3. 1s are 11s are 33 square centimeter. Correct? ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದೂನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. If you add these both do andre, then we will get the answer. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. What is area of triangle ABC? 33 centimeter square plus 33 centimeter square. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 33 centimeter square or square centimeter. This one also 33 plus 33 66 centimeter square. 66 centimeter square. This is the last problem in your chapter, children. Oh, I hope you understand it. Thank you, children.